Welcome to the Balloons Everywhere Idea Kitchen. In this Defy Gravity video, we will assemble a yardstake for displaying air-filled balloons. You will need the balloon of your choice, one yardstake kit, and a hand pump. Let's begin by inflating the balloon with air. Remember, no helium is required. Slide the cup of the yardstake over the tail of the balloon. Pull the tail through the hole at the base of the cup. Peel off the backing on the side of the cup and attach the tail to the adhesive. Attach the extension tubes and stake to the cup. Use the tape strips included with the kit to secure each joint. You're all done. Your balloon is now ready for outdoor display. Thanks for watching. All the materials for this project are available through Balloons Everywhere. For fast shipping from the nearest distribution center, you can order online at balloons.com or call 800-239-2000. To be notified when new instructional videos are added, click our logo to subscribe to the Balloons Everywhere channel.